guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to a Galentine party tonight, so I was thinking it would be the best time to record a video because it's going to be Galentine with my girlfriends, and I just wanted to show you the makeup and just talk to you guys a little bit about all the products that I've been using that are really helpful to my skin. And if you know me, you know that I was struggling so much with my acne scarring and the pores and all of those kind of thing, and now finally, after such long tryouts and trials, finally I figured out the skincare and the makeup that actually helped my skin, because I still do break out sometimes, but whenever I use these products, it helps me to kind of get it under control. So yeah, so I've already done a face mask. This is the face mask that I used. So this is really helpful for like calming, moisturizing, and because it's winter and it's so dry in Vancouver, so I've been struggling with the very dry skin. So yeah, that's what I did. And then I will just use the Rhode Beauty, the face mist a little bit. And yeah, it helps to kind of hydrate. For me, hydration is the most important thing. I don't want my face to be so dry and so flaky and the makeup be cakey and stuff, so that's why I use a lot of like good moisturizer. And then the next thing that I'm very surprised, because usually the American brands are not really good on my skin, and I try to find like a lot of Asian products, but the only toner that is like American and has helped my skin with the kind of get better and get moisturized and stuff is this Rhode Glazing milk, and I love it. And I use it with makeup and stuff, so it has been quite helpful. So you just take a few drops of it and then just, yeah, for me, I struggle with acne I think since I was 14 years old, and I still do break out quite often, especially if I'm not careful with my diet, and if I try to use a lot of products that are like has a lot of like chemicals that are very harsh on the skin. So I try to read a lot of the products that are in it, and I try to really understand the products, because you don't want to put a chemical in your skin that is like harsh, right? So yeah, you just let it sit for like maybe 30 seconds. See like how glowy it gets. Yeah, and then the next thing that I have been loving, this is like my third bottle, I think. See, this is like my third bottle. That's how much I love these one. And these two are all done. Like there's literally nothing left in it. I even mix my makeup a little bit of it, my foundation, because that's how moisturizing it is. So this is like my third bottle. So Medicube, if you're watching, please sponsor me. I literally love these, and I swear that I've been using it religiously. So you just take a bit. And then the next thing, so today, because it's going to be a little bit sunny and it's inside and it's kind of dark, so I'm not going to use a lot of foundation, so instead I'm just going to use the BB cream. So I've been using these. It has like the SPF in it as well, so you don't have to put sunscreen before that. So I just take maybe 2. So yeah, the next thing, you just take your BB cream and you just put it like how you put your sunscreen. I use my finger almost for everything because it's so easy to like blend it. Honestly, this BB cream is like perfect for daily basis. You don't have to put a lot of makeup. You can just use these to cover your redness and just go out. You don't have to try hard. So the next thing that I use is these Haus concealer. It's in shade 11 Light Natural. So I just put it on this spot that I just want some coverage. I think that looks fine. And I will take my brush, the one that I just use for my concealer. I have my midterm on Wednesday, and instead of studying, I'm literally just going out. I guess that's all you need to do, because this is kind of like my last year. I want to make sure that I have fun. And yesterday I actually got a very interesting job offer in a country that I never imagined working in. I was thinking quite a lot about it because it's kind of a good opportunity, but at the same time I will be far away from my family, so I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna work. Eldest daughter, you wanna make sure that you include your family in every decision that you're making. So being away from my family, even like for like a year or two, is gonna be quite a lot, and especially for the fact that I brought them to Canada so I could just be with them, and now if I go to another country and far away from them, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to live with myself, because especially because my siblings are really young as well, so they would need me. So I don't know, I've been thinking a lot, because I was thinking to take a gap year and then think about the medical school journey, because if you are going to medical school, you have to know for sure if you're able to like be there and if you're committed enough. But for me, as much as I love to be a doctor, as much as I love to be part of the medical community, I still feel like there's part of me something else. So I was thinking maybe I take a gap year and do my master and do a lot of like research, because that's something I'm also interested in. So yeah, I've been struggling with that, and especially with this job offer that I just got, I don't know how I'm gonna deal with it. So like, why every time you want to make a decision you have to think about every single person in your life, but at the same time think about like, is this what you really want, and not just, you know, pressures and stuff. And yeah, this is my favorite eyeshadow palette. It's very small and it just has like 4 colors, and it's from Judy Dole. I got it from, I think, Japan or Korea, I don't remember, but it has these 4 neutral colors, and this is all I use, these. And then I go a little bit color. I still don't know how to do my makeup, but my sister is really good, so every time I look at her and then I just watch her and I'm like, okay, I'm learning. She is very creative in like this kind of stuff. And then I just go over to make it a little bit more shimmery. And okay, so that's it. And then the next thing that I use, this is something that I have learned recently, and so I just take these and I'm just gonna make sure that it's not too hot, because you don't want to burn your eyelashes. Okay, so now that it's good, you just see the difference. Oh my god, the difference is crazy. For me, the reason that I said yes to this Galentine, I usually am not a big fan of like Valentine, Galentine, all this kind of thing, but I was like, it's perfect timing because some of my friends are single right now, so it's the perfect time for everyone to gather finally. Okay, the next thing I do is my eyebrow. Lift it up with these. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of like thin eyebrows or thick eyebrows. I'm like, that's why for most of the makeup part I never touch my eyebrow, because first of all, I'm scared that if I do something to it, it might never grow back, so I never do it. But then at the same time, I don't know how to, so that's why I just lift it up. It's the easiest thing you can do. So the next thing that I do is I use these lip liner. It's from NYX, is it? Yeah. And then I just go over and then underline my lip. It's like a lip tint. So these, I also use these. It's also from NYX, and it's just, what it does is like it plumps your lip. So I just go, so after the lip tint, I use these and I just go under, because I want my lips to be a little bit plump. So yeah, and then the next thing after that, I just use these Butter Me Up. It's from Oh My Girl, Oh My Gloss, oh my god, what I'm saying, Oh My Gloss, and I just go over a little bit. I try to use a lot, like I just also try to use a lot of like products from the pharmacy and stuff, or just drugstores, because I feel like some of them are really good and better than those expensive ones. The next thing, one of my other favorite blushes that I use quite often, and you can even see it, is these cotton blush. I use these more than these elf. I got these from like Korea, and I love these so much. The color suits me so well, so I'm gonna use that right now. So I just take a little bit and then I just place it under. Before, whenever my friends would use a lot of blush, I was like, oh my god, why you're so blush blinded. But now I am that person. I love blush. I'm like, if you're living once, you gotta have some blush on your cheeks, you know. And I just go under these eyes as well, just a little bit. And I try to do the nose so it looks red and perfect. So yeah, that's it guys. This is my makeup. I know I look so crazy, but these are just like simple makeup that you can do, and the products that has helped my skin a lot. So yeah, like if I could choose anything between all these products, I'm gonna show you. First of all, this beauty, these is like perfect. This is what I need anywhere. The second thing I would use is this BB cream because it works as a foundation, sunscreen, tint, whatever that your skin needs. So I love these, and it's very moisturizing as well. The next thing that I will get would probably be my lip gloss. That's it. These three are my favorite. I don't need anything else. I'm okay, I vibe, but without these three I cannot go anywhere. So that's it. I am gonna go fix my hair, and then I will show you guys the party. I will take some short videos of the party as well. Hope you guys liked my makeup, and hopefully some of these makeup or the products helps you with your skin as well, because if we have figured out for ourselves, it's also good to share with others who are in the same boat. Like literally, I will show you guys. This is the picture of my face before and right now, and it's the product of so many tryouts, so many. So yeah, I will see you guys in the party. Bye bye.
Oh, that's adorable. Yum. Just do like a boom boom. Hold on.
To the girls. Cheers. 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 How to Did I get everyone? Yeah, who else needs to go? Oh, this is good because I got trained.
Thank you.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Great. I think I've had